The legend is that if any nation has to be destroyed, if its education, culture, nature, historical sites, and history are destroyed, the nation will be destroyed by itself. These scenes are of the beautiful history of Sindh, these scenes are of the beautiful nature of Sindh, these scenes are of the historical forests of Sindh, where the soldiers of Sindh gave their lives while chanting immortal slogans for their homeland. The historical forests of Hyderabad, including Nawab Muhammad Khan Forest, Kathri Forest, Mayani Forest, which consist of thousands of acres, these forests are important in historical context and also have beautiful scenery. These forests consist of three parts: Mayani Forest, which is on the left side on the national highway from Hyderabad, while the major part of Mayani Forest is in Kuchi, which is under the control of the mafia, and there is a British-era rest house in Mayani Forest. It is also environmentally friendly due to its structure and has a historical significance. The second part is the wooded forest, which is on the right side on the national highway from Hyderabad, which also has a historical site named Diuri, which is about 60 feet tall. The mosque is also a historical place where the grave of General John Muhammad Talpar is located, who fought with the British for his land. And the third part of the forest is Nawab Muhammad Khan, which consists of 180 acres. It was able to maintain its condition for some time due to the interest of the local people, but as the occupations of the forests were ended, the occupations of this forest have ended, but no special attention has been paid to this forest, which is why it is currently in danger of destruction. The scene is presenting. In the past, there were many kinds of animals in these forests, such as deer, lions, wolves, jackals, parrots, partridges, eagles, hawks, deer, and other valuable animals and birds. As the forests continue to be destroyed, predators of birds and animals kill innocent lives. At present, the forests are moving towards the population. On the other hand, mafias have become active, which are destroying the forests in various ways, from hunting birds and animals to felling of trees, selling water and dumper loads of soil. The involvement of executives has also been revealed. It will be heard from the elders in these forests that these forests are of great importance in historical context. In these forests, there are memorials of Miani and Dabi battles, where the immortal hero Shahid Sindh Hashu Shiedi shouted the immortal slogan like Marso Mersin Par Sindh Na Dasun. How long ago these forests were completely destroyed and the name was lost, but after the order of the Supreme Court, they are returning to their natural beauty. These are the three forests that provide oxygen to the whole of Hyderabad, while there is no sign of the name of other forests in the vicinity. The same goes for forests. The trees planted in these forests have not yet reached their youth, but it is sad to say that the mafia is leaving no stone unturned in destroying these forests. The historical status of these forests increases even more when you stop at the Mayani Forest at Galian Dam and you can see the Indus River, which travels millions of kilometers to reach its devotees. From here, the beautiful scenery of the river, the waves of water, the scenery of the falling sun and the boats of the people are heartwarming. It is necessary to pay attention to these historical forests and save them so that they can play a role in saving humanity.